Yesterday I made a video on how you can be able to mine free TRX every second from this free TRX mining site, and you can see here that I already have about 67 TRX in my account, and I'm going to withdraw live in this video, and let's confirm whether this site is paying or not like I promised yesterday. So now let me just click on withdraw over here now, and the minimum withdrawal here is about 5 TRX. Okay, so I'm just going to be withdrawing 67 TRX, and let me get my wallet address from Trust Wallet. Okay, so this is my Trust Wallet account. I'm just going to let me get my TRX address. Okay, I currently have 770 TRX here now. Now let's head on back to the site and let me withdraw by, okay, sorry, I'll be entering 67 TRX over here now. Okay, and I'm just going to paste the wallet address here, and according to them their payment is automatic. Now let's click withdraw, and you see here it says withdraw paid successfully. Okay, now let's head on to my Trust Wallet account and let's confirm whether their site is legit or not. Okay, this is the TX ID. Let's visit the TX ID and let's confirm something here now. Alright, and you can see here that it says successful. Now let's go and check my Trust Wallet account and let's confirm if they actually made the payment to my Trust Wallet or not. Okay, let's go check, and behold, this is the notification that I received right now from Trust Wallet, saying here that I received 67 TRS. Okay, so now let me just refresh my account dashboard. Okay, this is the payment that I received right now, which is a payment of 67 TRX sent to me today from the TRX mining website. Okay, so now you have confirmed that this website is currently legit and you can be able to make TRX of this website. Okay, so now that you have confirmed how legit and trusted this platform could be, let me show you how you can be able to make more money off this site. Okay, so now let's go back to the website. So here we are once again. Now you will get the link to this website now in this video's description box, and once you click on the link you'll be taken to this sign up page, and all you have to do here now is to enter your username, your password, verify this captcha, and click on enter. That's how you sign in right here now. Okay, and over here as a free and new user you'll be getting about 0.20 TRX every single day. Alright, and anytime you have mined up to 1 TRX right here now, you can click on collect and send it to your main account balance over here now. Okay, so in case you want to make much more money off this site, this is what I have to do here now. So come over here and click on deposit. Alright, so once you click on deposit, you'll be taken to this page and you have to choose the cryptocurrency that you would like to pay with. Okay, you can deposit using Litecoin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, TRC20, that is USDT, Stellar, BNB, and the TRX. Okay, so now let me say now you want to deposit maybe about 50 TRX. That would get you a daily profit of 6%, and that will be 3 TRX every single day. Within 30 days you've made over 140 TRX here now for investing 50 TRX. And to make a deposit you click on make deposit. Okay, and now let me say now you want to deposit about 500 TRX, and now you will make 30 TRX every single day for depositing 500 TRX, and that is over 6% of it every single day, and that would be over 1,400 TRX in 30 days. And you can withdraw every single day. That is, you can withdraw anytime you have up to 5 TRX in your account. Okay, so that's the best part of this site. Okay guys, so now let me say now you want to go in with about 5,000 TRX. That would get you a daily profit of 300 TRX every single day, and that would be over 14,000 TRX in 30 days. Okay, and you can withdraw every single day. Okay, now let me say now you are going in with about 10,000 TRX right here now. That would get you 800 TRX every single day, and you make 34,000 TRX in 1 month. That is 30 days, and you can withdraw anytime, any day you wish. So if you are going in with about 20,000 TRX, that will get 8% every single day, and that is 1,600 TRX every single day. Alright, and you make over 68,000 TRX in just 30 days time. Okay guys, if you go in with about 50,000 TRX, that would get you 4,000 TRX every single day, which is 8%, and you make 117,000 TRX in 30 days. Okay, you can see everything now is here. So now let me say you're going in with about 100k TRS. That would get you 8,000 TRX every single day, and in 30 days time you've made over 340,000 TRX for investing 100,000 TRX. Okay, so that is how it is. Okay, so now remember, you can deposit using Litecoin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dash, USDT, Stellar, BNB, and TRS. Okay, so now click on make deposit, and once you click on make deposit, you'll be given an address here now, and you have to just head over and copy out the wallet address this way now. So once you have copied out the wallet address, you head over to your wallet and pay. Once you have paid, the mining contract that you paid for will be activated for you immediately. Okay, so that's how it is to make money off this site. You will get the link to these TRX mining sites now in these videos, the description box. Okay, so go ahead and click on the link right now to sign up and start making money for yourself every second using this TRX mining website. Okay guys, so if you want to invite your friends, just click on referral, get your referral link and start inviting your friends. And for any deposit being made by your referral, you get 5% of it instantly sent to your Tron account, and you can withdraw to your wallet immediately. Okay, so give this my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos on how you can make money online with cryptocurrency. Okay, so thank you so much for watching guys. Stay safe and God bless. Peace out.